Hello everybody, this is Ramesh Pani. In this video we can talk about slope. Slope of a line. The slope m of the line containing the points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by m equal to rise over run, which is equal to change in y over change in x, which is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Here x2 should not be equal to x1 because if they are equal then it will be 0, and any number over 0 is undefined, so x2 should not be equal to x1. Look at this diagram. In this rectangular coordinate system, this is a line, and on this line x1, y1 is a point, x2, y2 is a point here. Now this is a vertical change or rise which gives you y2 minus y1, and this is your horizontal change or run which gives you x2 minus x1. So rise over run, that means change in y or y2 minus y1 over change in x or x2 minus x1. That is the definition of slope. Find the slope of the line through -1, 5 and 2 minus 3. If you let x1, y1 be -1, 5, then x1 equal to -1 and y1 equal to 5. Also let x2, y2 be 2 minus 3, so that x2 equal to 2 and y2 equal to -3. Then by definition of slope, m equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which equal to y2 is -3, y1 is 5, so -3 minus -5 over x2 is 2 minus x1 is -1, so minus of -1, which gives -8 over 3. Look at the picture. This is a line, and on this line 2 minus 3 is a point on this line, -1, 5 is a point here on this line. So the change, the vertical change, which is called rise, is -8. The horizontal change, which is called run, equal to 3. So rise over run means -8 over 3 is the slope of the line. Some helpful hint: when finding slope, it makes no difference which point is identified as x1, y1 and which is identified as x2 y2. Just remember that whatever y value is first in the numerator, its corresponding x value is first in the denominator. Slope of lines. Positive slope, line goes up to the right. Look at here, the line goes up to the right. M is positive here. Lines with positive slope go upward as x increases. Negative slope, line goes downward to the right. Look at the line goes downward. His slope is negative. Lines with negative slopes go downward as x increases. Slope intercept form of a line. Slope intercept form. When a linear equation in two variables is written in the slope intercept form, y equal to mx plus b, m is the slope and 0 and b is the y-intercept of the line. Example, y equal to 3x minus 4, slope is 3, the y-intercept is 0 and minus 4. Find the slope of the line. Minus 3x plus 2y equal to 11. Solve the equation for y. Minus 3x plus 2y equal to 11. 2y equal to 3x plus 11, or y equal to 3 over 2x plus 11 over 2. The slope of the line is 3 over 2. You have to write the given equation in the slope-intercept form. This is the slope-intercept form. And m is the slope multiplied with x. Here 3 by 2 multiplied with x, so 3 by 2 is the slope. Slope of a horizontal line. Zero slope. Horizontal line, look at this line. Is this line parallel to x-axis? Horizontal line have a slope of 0. For any 2 points, the y values will be equal to the same real number. The numerator of the slope formula equal to 0. The difference of the y coordinate, but the denominator is not equal to 0. The two different points would have two different x coordinates. 0 by any number is 0. The slope will be 0 for horizontal line. Slope of a vertical line. Look at this line is a vertical line. Undefined slope for vertical line. A vertical line has an undefined slope. For any 2 points, the x value will be equal to the same real number. The denominator in the slope formula equal to 0. The difference of the x coordinates but the numerator is not equal to 0. The two different points would have two different y coordinates. So the slope is undefined since we cannot divide by 0. Parallel lines. Two lines that never intersect are called parallel lines. Look at it, these two lines. They have no intersecting point. Parallel lines have the same slope unless they are vertical lines which have no slopes. Vertical lines are also parallel, but they don't have any slopes. Other than the parallel lines have slope and they have equal slopes. Example: determine whether the line 6x plus 2y equal to 9 is parallel to minus 3x minus y equal to 3. Find the slope of each line. 6x plus 2y equal to 9, 2y equal to minus 6x plus 9. Divide to both sides, we will get y equal to minus 3x plus 9 over 2. This is the slope intercept form, so the slope is negative 3. Here minus 3x minus y equal to 3, minus y equal to 3x plus 3. Multiply negative sign both sides, y becomes minus 3x minus 3. Look at here, this is a intercept form of the slope intercept form of the equation. So slope is negative 3. Here also slope is negative 3. Both the slopes are equal, so the lines are parallel. Thank you.